In this video, I'll be showing how to make the animation to be set to a player. So to start with, as soon as we have created the animation ID, we can delete the rig which is there on the screen. It's not required anymore. Right now, to organize all the parts that will play the animation, add a folder in Workspace. You need to click plus symbol and add a folder and name it as touch part folder. You can select the folder, go to properties and rename it into touch part folder. Now right under this touch part folder, click the plus symbol and create a part which is the one which is meant like at the end of the level or wherever you wanted to make the animation to be played. This is the part which is the one as soon as the player touches it, the animation will be played. So I'm renaming the part into touch part. So whatever parts when the player touches, you wanted to make it to get animated, you can put inside the same folder. Now I do have a touch part here. Now I'll be resizing it and making it to get with a different color, which indicates that it is the end of the level or the player is going to achieve something. And upon touching this particular part, the player will be having the animation which we are going to set. Now let us go to the toolbox and search for gold, select some treasure hunt and place it near the part. Now we need to add a script for the touch event. When the player steps onto the part, animation must be played. In order to do that, we need to move into starter player and click on to starter character scripts and create a local script underneath. This particular script contains what is the function that is to be called when the part is touched by the player, and also this script will be binding the touched event to be called to all the parts which are there under the touch part folder which we have created already. Then we need to create a next script which triggers an animation for the player. So in the replicated storage, create a new module script and name it as player animation feedback. This script contains a function which will load an animation onto the player's character when the player touches the part. Now the next step will be you need to make the animation ID to be pasted in the script whichever we have created. Copy the animation ID and paste it, and that's it. Now we are ready to play test the game. Now I'm selecting play here and then play option. We can see the player moving towards the part for which we have written the script, and as soon as it has touched the script, it is starting to play the animation. So this is how we can get any animation from the library and take that animation ID and paste it in the script and make the animation to be set to the player.